what is actually happening in Eleko to Dangote Refinery axis. So join me as we take this drive as I show you what is happening along the Eleko Dangote Refinery road, along the Lagos Calabar coastal road axis. So join me, let's do this drive tour together. My name is Dennis from landproperty.ng. What we do, we help Nigerians in diaspora, we help Nigerians in Nigeria, we help non-Nigerians who want to invest in Lagos real estate. So if you're looking for property around this axis, around Ibeju-Lekki, feel free to give us a call. The number on the screen is our number. Give us a call. Let's make this happen for you. Thank you for staying to this point, watching this video as we did take the drive from Eleko down to the Dangote Refinery axis. Give us a call. Let's make this happen for you. In case you want to get any property around this axis, give us a call. Thank you so much for staying to this point. Please kindly share this video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.